2001 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 Triton. Still got factory converters, got 4 of them on this truck. That's how they come from the factory. Then it's widened to a single. Then what we did is a FLOWMASTER 40 series and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there. And then 3.5 inch angle cut tips there and there. There's the FLOWMASTER 40 series. That's how you duel them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTER 40 series never disappoints. Got a really nice deep tone. Again, let you guys hear on the inside.